My mom stopped my camera, tried to turn it around.
Please.
If anybody does know, I do not have a picture to put on my account yet, but I will have a Love Squad logo soon. Yes, Mom, my YouTube channel is called The Love Squad. But it's at Alicia Good something something something.
No, come
But,
please.
like,
Our children. We need to leave tonight.
There you go.
please, I hope you guys be part of the Love Squad.
Just a second. There are others out there like me. I have powers too. I get these visions sometimes, and I can move things with my mind.
Hey guys,
No, not anymore.
how you doing?
But that didn't make me the devil. It just made me.
I'm going to work on. I have you guys on a phone stand right now, so you can get a. I have you on a phone stand on 2 cases of butter. Why are you shuffling? You know I can. I'm gonna record all of this. That's what my mom calls the mama shuffle. Okay, clear bowl. Okay, there we go. I want to do it. I'll pour it.
Give me it, or you're not gonna do what's next.
I want to pour it. I want to pour it. My mom never lets me pour stuffed peeps. Are those even the same? Can I keep these?
Yeah, well, keep it because we might still have to use
Them.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, do you see all those sprinkles in that bowl right there? I'm just going to take it for a close-up. Look at all these guys. Okay. Now to see. Now I'm going to zoom out so you can see. There is about this much in there. But it's really a lot if you scooted all of this to one side. And only one side. So back on the stand you guys go to watch us put this in the video.
What do you think we've been doing all these years?
You talk about knowing God.
What is this for though?
You'll see stuff.
Are we gonna roll those in there? I knew it.
You have any idea what she's done?
Those people.
Is that made out of cream cheese?
That wasn't her fault.
You think
What?
you're the first?
Does that have cream cheese in it?
Mm-hmm.
Nope. No one likes cream cheese in the Love Squad. If you like
Huh? Yeah.
If you like cream cheese, do not subscribe. But if you absolutely love cream cheese, then I don't care.
If you like
Subscribe
the
if you
channel,
want.
just subscribe. That's all I do. If you like it, subscribe to it. I ain't gonna force you.
I can't even like my own videos. Hey Mom, why don't you make YouTube videos?
She's taken lives.
I don't know.
Don't you understand that by keeping
My mom's not a vlogger, guys.
Why doing what?
Because I'm too busy doing other things.
So you can,
No, it doesn't.
you have enough in the morning to do a live,
Abraham.
I'm more of a live feed person. On
but you have
Facebook.
enough to put this on YouTube. You have enough time to put your stuff on YouTube. Guys, my mom does not like frickin' YouTube.
And look after each one of us now and until you are dying. Amen.
Fire.
Hey,
What? Showing them fire. Because we're lit. Get it? Lighter.
Dig in, everyone.
Lit.
Elijah.
Okay, back to being a weirdo. Not like I already am.
Dad? Abraham?
Dad?
What did you do?
Still tasty as ever.
Oh, Mom. Aiden's gonna call me when his mom
What
gets
did
home.
you
He wants
do?
to drop by again.
This is how we stay together.
Whatever.
We will enter heaven as a family.
I don't know if you knew it, but he was over here last night.
Elijah, do not eat that. Elijah.
After the Christmas parade, Mom.
Elijah.
What?
Do not
Saturday?
do it.
Mom. No.
Saturday is.
Saturday, Mom, the Christmas parade they have over by Smith's. Aiden might try to have his family come over for the tree parade.
Any of these chocolates can I eat?
Nope.
Yeah. What if there's extra? Powdered sugar. Cream cheese. Boo. Oh. Can you see that properly? Do I have to put it backwards? Up. How do you even put this backwards?
You don't.
This is cream cheese, just so you know. No, if it's backwards, it's cream cheese or real, you know. I don't like it. I hate it. I hate cream cheese. Unless it's strawberry cream cheese. Or cherry. Any flavor besides natural cream cheese. Natural. Into it. Smudge, smudge. This, like, these are perfect for DIY glitter containers. You can make your own glitter, just sprinkles. Sprinkles are your new glitter and it's edible.
She is the devil! Pray for us!
Sorry I missed all the Psycho. Okay, so I can... Hey, Amanda. Are you holding out?
Yum. Hot dogs.
Beth called me and told me I'm going to be staying with her. She has a ranch. Lots of wide open country.
Oh, that's great. Now, sometimes in order to figure things out, a person needs space.
Agent, can I talk to you?
Yeah.
12/4/17. Mom,
What?
this is Monday. We have to use them by Monday.
Feel like it right now.
Huh?
These go expired on
about it.
Monday.
You can have this.
I'll use them.
You will do it. Just remember, the power, it doesn't control you. You control it.
Great value dozen large.
If you ever need it, call me, okay? I'll be there.
Grade A egg.
Maybe I called back
Great
there,
value dozen large. Grade A.
I didn't know she was there.
Eggs.
No idea. I think she deserved a second chance. What about it? Give me your number. Listen.
This is already a 9-minute video.
Sure. Yeah. Kinda hot. Hey, did you hear what you said back there? Yeah, you were right. This whole mom thing, I mean, we get her back and then she leaves.
I'm trying to make this a short video so it doesn't take long to upload.
I guess I just still working through some of that crap. I'll try to be less of a dick about it. Yeah.
Oh, and there is a shout out for these videos. These two shout outs go for Logan Paul and Jake Paul.
What? Nothing.
Hello. What's up? Is that alright, Mom? You can come over? Alright, yeah, you're good.
Stay Maverick.
Alright. See you here in a bit. Alright. Bye.
Mom, you want to see the Maverick sign?
Maverick, huh?
Maverick.
The Maverick?
Yeah, Maverick.
That Logan? Isn't that the Logan Paul sign?
Yes, Maverick is Logan Paul's bird.
Yeah.
Stop stealing the cookies.
I'm gonna need this container anyways, Lisa.
Yes. So
Stop stealing the cookies from the cookie
he's
jar.
not. He asked.
I asked if I could have some.
You know what, guys? There will be a part 2, but
Mom, we
this
make more
is
sugar
the end
cookies,
of
make something
vlog.
like this. I love how these taste. They don't hurt my teeth back here.
Okay, end of vlog talk. We will be having a shout out tomorrow on my way down to my bus stop. And that was just my mom's phone. Okay, so I will see you
They couldn't finish the job.
and love Squad for life. First, Mom, say goodbye.
Bye.
DJ, Don J. Good,
What do you want?
say goodbye.
Deuces.